Hello student, welcome back to our channel NEET Mantra. I am Prince Sharma, your biology faculty and mentor. So in this video we will solve some NCERT based question from the topic cell cycle and cell division. So let's start. Our first question is chromatids coiling in the meiotic and mitotic division is plactonamic in both, paranamic in both, paranamic in mitosis and plactonamic in meiosis, plactonamic in mitosis and paranamic in meiosis. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D. Coiling of chromatin material during cell division may either be plactonemic, means highly compact, or paranemic, means relatively loose. Plactonemic is seen during mitosis and paranemic is seen during meiosis. Next question we have, chromosome structure can be observed best during anaphase, metaphase, prophase, none of the above. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, metaphase. During metaphase, chromosome structure or morphology can be observed best. Next question we have, if an individual want to view dikinesis, which of these would be? Options are hair, leaf, onion root, flower, bud. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, flower bud. Dikinesis can be seen during meiosis and meiosis is seen in reproductive organ. So for this we are selecting flower bud. Next question we have, cyclin is associated with leptospirosis, glycolysis, cyclosis, mitosis. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, mitosis. Cyclins derive the event of the cell cycle by partnering with family of enzyme called cyclin dependent kinase or CDKS. Next question we have, synapsis is defined as the pairing of acentric chromosome, non-homologous chromosome, any chromosome, homologous chromosome. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, homologous chromosome. Synapsis is defined as the pairing of homologous chromosome. Next question we have, when there is an increase in condensation of chromatin during the process of cell division, heterochromatin increase, euchromatin increase, differentiation of euchromatin and heterochromatin decreases, differentiation of euchromatin and heterochromatin increases. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C. When condensation of chromatin material increases, the differentiation of euchromatin and heterochromatin decreases. Next question we have, crossing over occurs between two daughter nuclei, two different bivalent, non-sister chromatid of bivalent, sister chromatid of bivalent. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, crossing over occur between non-sister chromatid of bivalents. Next question we have, colicine arrest which of the following stages of cell division? Anaphase, telophase, interphase, metaphase. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, metaphase. Next question we have, amitosis is shown by Euglena, Psyllis, Hydra, bacteria. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, bacteria. Amitosis is shown by bacteria. Next question we have, polyploidy can be artificially induced by self-pollination, line breeding, inbreeding, colchicine. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer is option D, colchicine. It generally works by destroying the spindle fiber formation and which result in the non-separation of chromosome. This lead to an increase in chromosome number in a particular cell and thus polyploidy occurs. Next question we have, which of the following have identical genetic material? Sister chromatid, homologous chromosome, non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome, all of them. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, sister chromatid. Sister chromatids are identical copies derived from the replication of a parental chromosome. They are genetically identical barring rare mutations and crossing over with homologous chromosomes. Next question we have, anaphase promoting complex APC is a protein degradation machinery necessary for proper mitosis of the animal cell. If APC is defective in a human cell, which of the following is expected to occur? Chromosome will be fragmented, chromosome will not segregate, recombination of chromosome arm will occur, chromosome will not condense. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, chromosome will not segregate. During anaphase in mitosis, sister chromatids segregate at opposite pole. Therefore, a defective APC will affect the chromosome segregation. Next question we have, which of the following is not a characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cell? Chromosome movement, synapsis, spindle fiber, disappearance of nucleolus. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, synapsis, because synapsis is only seen during meiosis. It can't be seen during mitosis. Next question we have, meiosis first is reductional division, meiosis second is equational division due to pairing of homologous chromosome, crossing over, separation of chromatid, disjunction of homologous chromosome. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, separation of chromatid. In meiosis 2, the two chromatid of each chromosome separate from each other and go to separate daughter cell. As a result, the number of chromosomes remains the same as produced by meiosis first. Therefore, meiosis 2 is also called as homotypic or equational division. Next question we have, in the somatic cell cycle, in G1 phase, DNA content is double the amount of DNA present in original cell. DNA replication takes place in S phase. A short interphase is followed by a long mitotic phase. G2 phase follows mitotic phase. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, DNA replication take place in S phase. Next question we have, select the correct option with respect to mitosis, means three statements are wrong, one is right. Chromatids separate but remains in the center of cell in anaphase. Chromatids start moving toward opposite pole in telophase. Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum are still visible at end of prophase. Chromosome move to the spindle equator and get aligned along the equatorial plate in metaphase. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option D, all the above statements, three statements are wrong and D is right. Next we see, if n equals to 16 in plant cell, then what is possible in metaphase first of meiosis? 32 bivalent, 16 tetravalent, 16 bivalent, 32 tetravalent. Student, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, 16 bivalent. If n equals to 16, so 2n equals to 32, which means 32 chromosome which pair up with a homologue. This will result in the formation of 16 bivalents. Next question we have, a somatic cell that has just completed the S phase of its cell cycle as compared to gamete of same species has twice the number of chromosome and 4 times the amount of DNA, 4 times the number of chromosome and twice the amount of DNA, twice the number of chromosome and twice the amount of DNA, same number of chromosome but twice the amount of DNA. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option A, twice the number of chromosome and 4 times the amount of DNA. In diploid cell or somatic cell, during G1 phase the DNA content is 2C and chromosome number is 2N. Whereas in haploid cell or gamete, during G1 phase the DNA content is 1C and chromosome number is N. S phase is marked by the replication of DNA and the amount of DNA per cell is doubled, that is it becomes 4C in somatic cells, whereas chromosome number remains same, that is 2N. Thus a somatic cell which have just completed S phase will have 4C DNA content but 2N chromosome number, while the gamete cell will have 1C DNA content and N chromosome number. Next question we have, when cell has told DNA replication fork, which checkpoint should be predominantly activated? G1S, G2M, M, both G2M and M. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option B, G2M. If the cell has told DNA replication fork, it implies that it has crossed G1 cyclin cell cycle checkpoint and has entered S phase of the cell cycle, where it is preparing for chromosome replication. Afterward, it will enter G2 phase and will soon approach second checkpoint called mitotic cyclin, which lies between G2 and M phase. Next question we have, which one of the following precede reformation of nuclear envelope during M phase of the cell cycle? Decondensation from chromosome and reassembly of the nuclear lamina, transcription for chromosome and reassembly of the nuclear lamina, formation of contractile ring and formation of the phragmoplast, formation of the contractile ring and transcription from the chromosome. Students, comment your answer. So the right answer to this question is option C, formation of the contractile ring and formation of the phragmoplast. So if you like our video, please share our video and like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.